Hello. So let's start the practice. Okay. So I start from the matrix. So it is the topic of engineering math. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So I start from very basic. Okay. From the definition. Okay. So what is the matrix? So matrix is a set of m and n numbers. So I also write set of m and n number. Okay. Which are real or complex. Okay, so that arrangement in the form of rectangular array. Arrange in the form of rectangular array. Okay, and having m and n rows, m ro- and having m rows and n columns. Okay, so it is actually matrix. Okay, so it is known as matrix. Okay, so I can write a, so it is the matrix. Okay, in the of the order n and m, and which is real as m by n matrix. Okay, so I can write it as like a 1 1. Okay, a 1 2, a 1 3, a 2 1, a 2 2, a 2 3, a 3 1, a 3 2, a 3 4, 3 3. So it is till a. Okay, so it is row. Okay, and it is column. So matrix always with this packet. Okay, so now see, it is first column, and these are rows like first row, second row, third row. So first represents row, and after that column. So it is means n row. Okay, and column is first. Okay, so it is in this form, or I can write it is in m, column in rows in m. It is like same thing like a m2. Okay, m row and 2 column, same thing m row and 3 column, like it is still a. Okay, first row and which column, n column. Okay, same thing second row and n column, third row n column. So it is happen like this till a. I write here the last term. Okay, so a, which is which call now which row, m row and n column. Okay, so it is a matrix form. So means I can write as in order of m and n. Okay, so I hope you know these things. After that I take an example, and sometime I there are so many students who are not able to able to multiply to matrix. Okay, so see here, for multiply means first take a real example. Okay, example like I can write any matrix like in the form of numbers. So now I write 2, 5, 6. It is also a matrix. Okay, it is number, but when we insert these brackets, so it is also matrix. These brackets, so it is also matrix. So I can write anything, 2, 5, 6. It is also a matrix. So I can write anything and close it with this matrix, so it is known as a matrix. Okay, so now I hope you understand this example. So come on the multiplication. Add simply. Add is when we to add two elements respectively, but in as subtract is the same thing, but in multiplication some students struck in it. So I clear it. Multiplication any. Okay, so multiply or multiplication of matrix. Okay, so in this now see here, like uh, if there is a matrix A. Okay, it is equal to a11, a12, a21, a22. Okay, so it is a matrix, and there is another matrix B. It is like v11, v12, v21 and v22. Okay, so they are two matrix. Now I need to multiply A and B. Okay, so for this simply focus on it. First we need to multiply this thing from this. So a11 into b11. Okay, this is a this is happened. After that plus. Okay, and this thing. Okay, uh, like first we do this thing with this thing. Okay, so you can even I multiply this by this and plus this by this. So a12 plus, not, it is manipulation in v21. Okay, so I think you are clear. First multiply this by this, and after it is for like after the multiplication it is met order of 2 by 2. So I only find this thing, it is a11. Okay, after that I need to find a2. Okay, so a2 multiply these thing, these two elements by these two elements. Okay, so a11 into v12 plus a12 into v22. Okay, so I hope you get this. Now same thing, I find these two. Okay, now for find a3 I need to multiply these thing, this row with this column. Okay, like A21 into V11 plus A22 into V21. Okay, and for A4, simple, this row and this column. Okay, so A21 V12 plus A22 V22. So I hope you understand this thing. Okay, till now it is very easy. So slowly we cover all these topics related to matrix and increase our things. Okay, so now come on the next topic. I hope you are able to understand these things till here. So after that I tell you about the track of a matrix. Okay, so what is the like track of the matrix? So it is very simple topic. Okay, track. Okay, it is TRACE. TRACE. Okay, of a matrix. So it is very simple things. Okay, so it is the sum of all diagonals element of a square matrix. You understand? So I can also write here sum of all diagonal element elements of a square matrix. Okay, so from here you can get idea. So if I make a matrix of square matrix, like it have 2 minus 7 9 4 5 6 and anything like 8 9 3. So I need to find the track of that matrix. So I can write TR of A. So it is represented by TR of A. It is equal to, so what are the diagonal matrix of this? Okay, so this is the diagonal matrix. Okay, so 2 plus 5 plus 3, it is equal to 10. So it is the trace of the matrix. Okay, so trace of the A matrix. I hope it is clear, or I can write a formula for this summation. Okay, so I can write it TR of a matrix is equal to summation of it is I is equal to 1 to n and I means if I put is equal to 1 here, so A11. Okay, here A11, it is A11. After that I put 2, so there is I22 A22. Okay, this matrix, and I is equal to 3, it is 3, so A33 means this matrix. So simple. So it is the means trace of a matrix. Okay, so after that I cover another point. Okay. So I hope you can understand these things. So these things are very easy, and this is means very easy to understand. So now I take another matrix transpose. Okay. So let's start for the matrix transport. Or I need to give any example for this. You can practice these things for only for references. There's no more requirement. I only give like there is a matrix of 2, 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15, 21, and 0, 1, 3, 4, and 9, 4, 8, 7. So by using this formula you can find the trace of matrix. It is A. Okay. So you can find these things. You can try yourself. I hope it is very easy. Okay, don't think that it is very hard to solve. Okay, so now we cover next topic. Our next topic, transpose of the matrix. So what is transport means? Okay, first I define the simple definition. After that transpose of a matrix. Okay, so it is very easy. First let's a means let's a any matrix. Okay, so it is in the order of n m. So we any given matrix, the matrix of obtained by interchanging the rows and columns. Mean in this thing, if there is a matrix, means this is a matrix, this is a b c d. Simple. Now what is that? It is a. Okay, so the transport of the matrix is represented by like a dash. So it is the transport of a. So it is simple, like it is a, like I can write as a b c d. Now see here, it is row ab. Now I make it column ab. After that cd is row, I make it as a column. Okay, now ac is a what is column, I make it is as a row. Okay, and bd is a row, I make it is a, it is column, so I make it is a row. So from here this is very simple. Okay, we change these things. So I can write as in mathematically, like if there is a matrix a. Okay, so it is in the a I j, and the order of that is m into n. So it is a matrix. So I can write the transpose of a like 8s. Okay, it is this over 8. So I can write as a I j. Okay, it is same thing. Oh, but we change these things, you know na? We change there all the things. So I need to write what a j I. Okay, and also change the order of the matrix. So now it is ij, it is ji, it is mn, it is nm. Okay, so I hope you can now understand what is the means matrix, transpose of a matrix. So take an example. Okay, so let's go. For example, let's there is a matrix. Okay, matrix is A is equal to 2 3 4 5. Okay, it is minus 2 minus 1 4 8 5 6 minus 7 minus 10. So it is a matrix. Now you can know that it is a matrix of 3 into 4, means 3 row 4 columns, 1 2 3 3 rows, and 1 2 3 4 4 columns. Okay, now I need to find the transpose of this matrix. So transpose of this matrix is very simple. First, it is represented by the a cap, a dash. Okay, so first it is, what is it is, it is 0. So make this row as a column. So how? Which is 2 3 4 5. Now it is a column, and after that take this row. Okay, so make this row as a column. So minus 2 minus 1 4 and 8. Okay, after that take this row and make this row as a column. So 5 6 minus 7 minus 10. Okay, so this is complete matrix transpose of a matrix. Okay, so now the order of this matrix is 4 into 3 because there are 4 rows and 3 columns. So I hope till there you are understanding what is going on. Okay, so after that I tell you about the consequence of a matrix, determinant of matrix, adjoint of matrix, trace of a trace completed, and after that inverse of matrix, rank of the matrix, and eigenvalue and eigen